Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, and this week I am deep cleaning the laundry room, and it is quite the disaster as you can see. Okay guys, I decided that I was going to break cleaning the laundry room up into several different days, and today I am just getting rid of the clutter. I actually had some Goodwill stuff that was in there that I haven't taken to donations yet, and so I put those in the truck, and all of these Amazon boxes I had to break down, and there was painting stuff in there from when we were painting the living room. All the stuff was in there. I don't know about you, but my laundry room is kind of like a mud room. This is how we enter the house, and it ends up being a catch-all, I guess you would say. Okay guys, several days later, I wasn't actually planning on cleaning the laundry room on this day, on finishing it, but I was doing some laundry and the washer was having a problem. I had to unplug it and replug it in to reset it, and then I noticed there was quite a disaster behind the washer, so I had cleaned that out. And now here I am again a week later, and I am finishing up the laundry room on this day. Okay guys, this is a reminder that this is a collab put together by Kimberly Davis at Diva Designing on a Dime. So when you're done watching my video, I will put a link down below in the description, and you can watch them and get motivated to clean and keep yourself busy and keep your nose out of the news. Stop doing that. Okay, I'm just refilling my stock of water here, and I'm going to clean off this shelf, and I was going to wipe where that water was, but it looked like hubby already stocked the shelf with water too. So I am going to clean up this, and this is where I do keep dryer sheets and stain cleaner and various other things for the laundry. And I'm going to take everything off the shelf except for the water and wipe it all down and clean it all out. Now don't get your hopes up too much. You can see there's a door there that goes to the Monaco closet. If you've been following my channel for any length of time, you know that's a disaster. It ain't happening in this video, guys. Sorry, maybe another day. Okay, that was really gross. So I am using my handy dandy ceiling fan duster. Yes, it's a ceiling fan duster, but I also use it to clean the baseboards. So some of you asked if you can actually take the head off of this and wash it. Well, you can, but the microfiber part doesn't come off. Just the head part comes off. So I just put it in the sink and rinsed it off really good and let it dry. And I don't know, I suppose you could throw it in the washing machine. I'm not really sure. I just rinsed it in the sink really good, and then it actually took quite a while to dry. Okay, now I'm just wiping off the top of the dryer really good, and the sides, I already did that. And I noticed there's some rust on the top of the dryer. Now, I know you can buy appliance paint, but I don't know if I'm going to bother to do that. I think the washer and dryer are on its last legs, so I don't know if I'll get around to painting it. And on top of the dryer, I keep this basket for old towels to use to wipe up spills, because somebody who shall remain nameless, hubby, uses my good towels to wipe up nasty spills, and so I keep those on top of the dryer so he won't use my good towels for that. Okay, now I need to find a place to put all of this water, but first I need to clean underneath the cabinets. I am not going to clean all of the cabinets. I just want to go ahead and do this, and like I said in the last video, I am trying to work smarter, not harder, so I am not bending over, you guys, and that's why I love this duster thing, because I can actually use it for situations like this. But I end up getting my microfiber cloth and putting it underneath there, you can see that, and getting in the corners, and yeah, and then I don't have to bend over, because this girl don't bend well. Here's some stuff that I don't quite know what to do with. These are some extra storage things, and this is my water container. I think I'm going to get rid of it because I didn't show it in this clip, but the nozzle on the inside, yeah, it's a mildew on it. So I don't think I'm going to use that kind of container for my water anymore. And I'm just putting a few things back and rearranging them in the cabinet here. These are all my cleaning supplies. This is where I keep them. Okay, I'm not going to clean out the drawers today, but I just wanted to show you what was in here. It is pretty organized, so that doesn't need organized, which I'm not organizing today. I'm just deep cleaning. And this is all organized in here. I will do that in another day. I think I will do like I did with the kitchen, and as I'm doing laundry, maybe do one drawer at a time. But I got the major stuff done today, and so the rest will be just maintenance. Okay, now I just need to clean up this garbage and recyclable mess, and yeah, the floor, and it needs to be swept and mopped, and I need to do something with the steam cleaner, and I need to unpack all these supplies that I got from Target. Now, yes, I got quite a bit of toilet paper, but I ordered this before the panic, guys. I did not know all that was going on. I tend to stock up on toilet paper because I have room to store it, and then I only have to buy it a couple times a year, and I don't have to worry about it. I put it underneath my medicine, the bathroom cabinet. I have plenty of room under there because I don't store a lot of things in there. Okay, I'm going to use this Bone and Me. I don't know how you pronounce it. It is like a natural Comet cleanser, and I am really liking it. I actually think it works better than Comet. So I have not really scrubbed out this utility sink in a long while. You can see there is paint in there because we use it to clean our paintbrushes. So I'm going to scrub it down, and not going to spend too much time on it, but yeah, it does look a lot better. It wasn't decluttering, but I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this vase. I don't need it. I'm not married to it, so here it's going to go in the donation box. I'm getting a box ready for donations, more donations. Okay, I use this basket and the one that is already in the garage to put my egg cartons in and plastic grocery bags in to take back to recycle to the store. And look at this mop head. That's really gross. I changed it out, and supposedly you can stick this in the washing machine, so I'm going to try that. And on this particular day, Gary was here doing some handyman stuff for me. So I asked, actually he was painting, I think on this day he was painting the family room. So I asked him to help me out. This drawer was broken, so he fixed it for me, and now I'm able to store that stuff that was on the shelf and underneath the drawer here in the washing machine. So that helps. Okay, now I'm going to clean this shelf above the washer and dryer, and it is quite dusty, and there's some spider webs in the corners and all kinds of stuff. And I handed Gary over the camera to get some footage, and he didn't, I don't know what happened, but he didn't do a very good job. So, and now Gary's taken the light down for me so I can go and clean it. Okay, I'm gonna go wash this light cover in the sink, and then I'm noticing all the cobwebs above there. Honestly, I don't think I've ever cleaned up there. Yikes. Yeah, showing you all the nasty stuff, guys, and getting all these spider webs down and doing a good job cleaning this up. Okay guys, so this shelf up here was sagging, and you still see we have some holes to patch. Well, not patch, we need to paint them. So anyway, the shelf was sagging, so Gary, since he was here, he went ahead and put some brackets on it for me, and I am cleaning off these bottles to put back up on the shelf. Okay, there's a little story behind these bottles and the sand that's in them. They are from different places that we have visited over the years. The black sand is from Black Sand Beach in Hawaii, and the white sand is from Waikiki Beach in Hawaii. And the orange looking sand is actually from Coral Pink Sand Dune State Park. I think I got that correct. And that was in Utah when we took a trip to Utah and we went to the Grand Canyon and all that. Okay guys, I still have not purchased a new cordless vac, so I am just using this one. It is doing the job, and then I am going to mop everything and make it look all nice and sparkling clean. Okay, I am using the O-Cedar Spin Mop. I absolutely love this mop. You may have seen it in my other videos. In case you missed them, I will put a link down below to the other spring cleaning videos. It is literally the best mop I have ever had. I have had many different ones, and I just really like it. And look how you can just use that on the baseboards too to clean that. So that works pretty good. Okay guys, it is looking pretty good, and the floor was not actually that dirty. So I still have a few more things that I need to clean in here, like the Monica closet. But I'm going to go ahead and put my rolly cart back in here. I do want that to go in the Monica closet eventually whenever that gets cleaned out. I got this cleaning cart from Target, so I will put the link down below in case you're interested in that. Okay, all done. Now I can mark the laundry room off of my quarterly cleaning list, and this is spring. In case you're new to my channel, I have been doing a quarterly checklist. So I'm going to mark off the things that I have done, and I'm actually going to write a few things that I have forgot about. So I still have the Monica closet, and I need to declutter, which would be the Monica closet. That I need to do, and that probably won't happen till summer. I don't know, it might still happen this spring, and if so, I can check it off. So this is a free pinnable that you can get from Green Child magazine. I will put the link down below, and then you can make your own checklist and do your spring cleaning. If you're new to my channel, I would love to have you click that subscribe subscribe button so you don't miss another video. In fact, I have one coming up on Thursday. I will be decorating and deep cleaning the dining room. So, and then again, next Tuesday, I will be doing another spring cleaning video and this collab. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.